In this video, I'm going to show you how to install or get Google Gemini on your laptop or PC. So I'll provide full guide. So first open your Chrome browser. Press on this option. Then you get Gemini option. Just open this. So this is my Gemini. I'm just install this. Press on three dot at the top right corner. Click on this option. Then you get install Pages app. Press on to rename. Press on install. Okay. Now successfully install my Gemini. Easily open and you can use this from here. Hello. Hello. So that's it.